What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jasmine Goddess here. And today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the new iPad Pro. So follow me as we figure out what's inside. Let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna find it first. My boyfriend put it right here. Oh, let's go. Okay, here's my box. I had to order it. So let's do it.
Okay. Got the box there. What is inside? I'm so excited to see it. This is gonna be my first iPad, so you know I am super excited. So let's go. Okay, you guys, I got the box here. Got the box here. Ah! All right, y'all. This is the new iPad Pro. I'm so excited to see what's in it. Let's open it. Hey, turn up one time. All right, I'm gonna stop being silly. Let's undo this. This little guy, designed by Apple in California. I did not know Apple was in California. Come on my charger. Oh, come on my charger here. iPad chargers are different than iPhone chargers. Didn't know that. Trusty charger. Okay. I don't think any headphones come with this though.
Key thing, in case you want to change your something, whatever you want to change with that key. What else is in here? Apple loves to do the stickers. They want you to put it places so that they can be promoting. That is a genius marketing strategy. Good job, whoever did that. Steve Jobs. Whoever's idea that was. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, Apple be doing so much. Their packaging is so nice. It makes you think that it's some interesting stuff in here. Like this packet, it's nothing else in here, but it's so thick and stuff that it feels as if you got some more stuff to unwrap. But you don't. Food us. Food us. All right. I'm gonna put all this stuff back so I don't leave a mess.
Clean that back up. Let's see if I need to charge it first. This is the bag. So it has the camera here in the back on the side. This is nice. It's not so small. Ooh. Oh, I'm loving it so far. Isn't it beautiful? So beautiful. All right. I don't even know how to turn it on. Do I do it? How do I turn this guy on, you guys? Somebody comment down below and tell me how to turn this on. Oh my God, so nice and sleek. But where's the power button? Maybe I need to, oh, I think I found it. Let's see, let's see it light up. Maybe, it came on! I didn't need to charge it right away. So this is the way it goes. Look how big it is. This is so nice. Hey. Comment down below if you guys have iPads. What kind of iPads do you guys have? Because this is my first one, and it came 96% charged. So you guys, when you first get your iPads, you don't have to worry about charging it before you can use it, which is totally great. So convenient. By the way, you guys, I think this is one of my first YouTube videos. So welcome to my channel. It's about to get real lit. All right, how do I do this? I'm gonna choose English. I'm in the United States. 1 second, you guys. I am going to check my text message from my boyfriend to see what's our Wi-Fi code. 1 sec. Okay, you guys, I just Got the Wi-Fi code, and I just put the code in. We have like the funniest code and name. So our Wi-Fi is called Keep It on the Download. And then the password is so weird. It's like something wild, something. All right, let's see. Right here. Face ID, iPad. So then they want you to set up the Face ID as soon as you get it. So this iPad is brand new. Like, this must be the most up-to-date one, and I had no idea. I just start buying stuff. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in the circle to show all angles of your face. Okay? Oh, they wasn't even, oh my God, I was doing it with, oh my goodness. That was not even the screen that I was supposed to be doing it on. I was just doing it to a blank screen. Okay, this is how it looks. All right, position your face. Got it. Got it. Face scan complete. So you have to do it twice. First face scan and then second one. Face ID is now set up. Let's continue. I'm gonna create a password. Now it wants me to put an Apple ID, which is always hard because I never remember my Apple ID. Goodness. Let's see if I can remember it. Do you guys ever forget your Apple ID? Because I'm like horrible remembering all these. It's too many passwords. This technology-filled universe is too many passwords to remember. All right. I don't know the password. Let me see. Hey you guys, I finally reset my password and now I think I'm gonna get in. We're in. You guys, we're in. Got it. So it's working. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? But so far, this thing is huge. It's so nice. So big, and I also have a little keyboard that goes with it. So then it goes through and it explains to you how to set up Siri. To use Siri, press and hold the side button or say "Hey Siri" anytime. So where's it at? I think I might need to have it this way. So there's a little side button here, and when you need to ask Siri, you are going to just hold that down. All right, thanks. Screen time, get a weekly report. Now, I love the fact that you can do screen time because I need to know what am I spending my time on. I really like that. All right. So basically, it's just teaching you how to navigate your new iPad Pro. It's just like the newest iPhone. That's how you do it. To get started. Okay, and we made it, you guys. Thanks for sticking around. This was a journey. All right, it's just like my iPad or my iPhone. I'm excited. So I'm gonna be using this thing to edit my YouTube videos. So that is why I got it, because my phone is pretty small and I like to wear long nails. I got to get them done soon. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using this for. Thank you guys for watching and staying tuned while I figured out my password and unboxed it and everything. So I can't wait to make a new video, and I think I am going to unwrap one more thing that I just bought for my YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Until next time, everybody, I am Jasmine Stanley, aka Jasmine Goddess, and I am here to inspire, uplift, and entertain you guys. So subscribe, please subscribe, become my newest followers because I'm brand new. I ain't got nobody. Be the first one and share this video. All right, peace out.